Welcome back everyone, because today I want to share a tool that has completely changed how I handle long-form content. If you are tired of spending hours chopping up your videos, this tool acts as a total secret weapon for grabbing attention. Whether you are a teacher, a creator, or just someone wanting to stretch one long lesson into a week of content, this is for you. The tool is called Vizard, and it is honestly one of the smartest, simplest apps I have found for saving massive amounts of time. The best part is that you do not even need to sign up immediately just to get a feel for how it works. Just paste a YouTube link or upload your own file, and the AI immediately starts analyzing the footage to find the gold. I recently dropped in one of my hour-long AI overview videos and asked it to find segments between 30 and 60 seconds. I even typed in a specific topic like artificial intelligence, so it knew exactly which parts of the lecture were the priority. Within a few seconds, I had 17 ready to post clips, and I have to say, it honestly felt like magic. One detail I love is how it intelligently highlights transcript keywords and automatically places icons or markers on the screen. You get to preview every single generated clip, pick your favorites, and then export them for your social platforms. While the paid version gives you higher resolution, the free quality is actually perfect for those quick, snappy social posts. You also have access to standard editing tools like trimming, renaming, or duplicating if you want a little more control. Imagine taking a 45-minute lecture and turning it into several bite-sized moments that actually resonate with people. These snippets work great as teasers, newsletter anchors, or short reels that guide traffic back to your main video. There is also a full transcript view that is incredibly handy for creating show notes, blog posts, or presentation slides. Tools like auto-subtitles and silence removal let you polish your audio and video without needing professional software. Vizard functions more like a full content assistant rather than just a simple video cutter. Its core strength is the auto-editing feature, which identifies viral-ready moments perfect for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. And the auto-schedule feature is a total lifesaver, allowing you to set your posting frequency and forget about manual uploads. The content calendar gives you one single dashboard to see your scheduled posts and manage your entire strategy. Now, let's be honest about the trade-offs, because every tool has them, and I want you to know what to expect. The free tier gives you 60 minutes of uploads per month, which is great for testing, but projects only stay for 3 days. That short storage window can be annoying if you like to archive your library, so keep that in mind. If you need higher resolution, longer retention, or more minutes, the creator plan is the way to go. Comparing this to tools like Descript, which is powerful but maybe overkill for simple clipping, Vizard feels much faster. While Capwing and Pictory are great, Vizard really shines by combining clipping, editing, and scheduling into one single app. It stops you from having to juggle 4 different subscriptions just to get one piece of content out the door. Vizard automates the actual discovery of clips by listening to audio patterns, so you aren't doing manual timestamp work. You can even record directly in the app if you lack professional software, which is perfect for quick voiceovers. Here's a quick practical tip. Be very intentional with your keywords when you upload your long lecture. Giving it that small nudge helps it find the most impactful parts instead of just random segments. I personally used Vizard to take a 50-minute class and break it into 10 micro lessons that I scheduled for the whole month. It turned a single static video into 2 weeks of consistent social media posts that actually drive engagement. The bottom line is that if you want to spend less time editing and more time teaching, this tool is worth checking out. It is not a Hollywood-grade editor, but for social-first content, it hits that perfect sweet spot of speed and control. Give it a try today, play with the clips, and see how much easier your workflow becomes. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more breakdowns on tools that help creators and teachers save time. Share this with a friend who is drowning in long-form videos and needs a way to make bite-sized content easier. Stop doing things the long way and start letting automation handle the heavy lifting for you.